Alright, today we're going to be talking about slope. Our objectives are that we will be able to find the slope of a line given the graph of a line or given the coordinates of 2 points on the line. We'll be able to use slope to determine if lines are parallel or perpendicular. So, as you may recall from Algebra 1, slope means the same thing as rate of change is the change in y over the change in x. This is the main formula that we use for slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It's the vertical distance over the horizontal distance, also rise over run. So if you look at these examples, if you have an increasing line, it's going up from left to right, that's got positive slope. If it's a decreasing line and it's going down from left to right, then it's got negative slope. A horizontal line has 0 slope. A way that you can help remember this is Hoy and Bucks. The H stands for horizontal. The O is 0 slope. And these are going to be y equals a number for the equation. If it's a vertical line, then it has undefined slope, so that's part of our Bucks. It's vertical, undefined slope. And these are x equals a number equations. So some examples. So if we're using this line, we need to find 2 nice points on this line. I'm going to use this one and this one. And we're just going to count rise over run. So we go up 1, so 1, and over 2, so 1 over 2. And it's going up from left to right, so we know that it's going to be positive slope. Number 2, we know is going to have a negative slope. We pick 2 good points on here. We go down 2 and over 2. Negative 2 over 2 simplifies to negative 1. We can also use the formula. So this would be x1 and y1, x2 and y2. So we'd have 10 minus 2 over 3 minus 9. 10 minus 2 is 8. 3 minus 9 is negative 6. And that simplifies to negative 4 over 3. So here again, x1, y1, x2, y2. We'd have 7 minus negative 1 over 3 minus 3. 7 minus negative 1 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. We're not able to divide by 0. You can't divide something into 0 groups, so this has undefined slope. If we want to see if lines are parallel or perpendicular, parallel lines have the same slope. So if you look here at line A, that goes up 3 over 1. So the slope of A is 3 over 1. The slope of B is also 3 over 1. So lines A and B are parallel. Number 6, we have lines J and K. We want to see if they're perpendicular. Their slopes have a product of negative 1. So let's look at line J. That goes up 1, 2, 3 over 1. So the slope of J is 3 over 1. If I use these 2 points for K, we go down 1 and over 3. The other thing you could say about these is they are opposite reciprocals. They're flipped upside down and they're opposite signs. That's another way that you can tell that the lines are perpendicular. So lines J and K are perpendicular. And finally, find the value of x so that the line passing through the 2 points has the given slope. So we want to know what this x value is. We're given this point and this slope. So we're going to start with this point. Start here. So I'm going to go to 1, 2, and I'm going to plot that point. My slope is 3, which if we turn it into fraction would be 3 over 1. So I'm going to go up 3 over 1. Up 3 over 1. Now I want a y value of -7, so I'm going to go back in the other direction. Down 3 and left 1. Down 3 and left 1. I'm going to keep going until I run out of graph paper. So I'm going to go to where the y is -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have this point right here. That x value is -2. That's all for today. I'll see you in class. Fill out